Hi guys, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So recently I went to a nursery and काफी amazing things थी यार वहाँ पे. All of it was made out of mud. So Diwali is coming and that's why we bought few diyas. Simple hai because I wanted to paint and customize these. So that's what we're gonna do today. Paint our own diyas for Diwali. So let's get started. फटाफट से जेसो अप्लाई करूंगी and then start with the painting. Super duper excited guys, finally shooting a video after so long. Anyways, so with the first one I went with the yellow paint. Using acrylic paints here by the way. So I am going to keep this plain. Now I am going to try to create 6 different designs for all the 6 diyas. You can go with anyone to make your own set. Like you can keep it plain like the yellow one and add few contrasting colors, dots and all. So काफी pretty लगता है यार, simple and sweet. Then moving further, for the second one, I am going to paint the whole diya with a dark pink color. And then white acrylic paint से कुछ इस तरह patterns बनाऊंगी just to give it a tribal vibe. Go on, be full creative and create your own colorful and attractive diyas. Because that is what Diwali is all about, right? Lights, traditions and spending time with family. I love it. So for the third one, I'll apply a turquoise shade and then golden color से एक बड़ा सा leaf branch बनाऊंगी अंदर भी and even on the outside. Initially, when I started painting, I had zero idea about how I'm gonna paint, क्या patterns बनाऊंगी, क्या designs बनाऊंगी and all of that. But now that I've started it, my mind is flooding with full of different ideas, patterns, color palettes and all and all and all. So coming back, as you can see, I went with green color for the fourth one. Wanted to paint a floral pattern but not too floral. So simple and easy design in short. Moving further, you can never go wrong with golden and purple. Created this diya just by adding dots in floral shape and it is looking super duper attractive. So diyas are mostly used in Festival of Lights, that is Diwali, but in several other occasions as well. They provide an aesthetic vibe and has its own charm, isn't it? You can always go for painting a diya since it is the easiest way to give your diya a new look and let it match your vibe. You're getting it, right? Use acrylic paints, create dots, designs, patterns, or leave it plain. Do whatever you want. Be free and enjoy your work. To be honest, that's what helped me to come up with these ideas. So just start with the process. Don't worry about if you're gonna come up with new different ideas or not. Just start doing it and enjoy what you do. And my dear friends, how can we forget orange and our Ganesh ji? To fill and make the diya look complete, I added cute little swastiks around the border, inside and outside. I just love these 6 diyas, totally different from one another but all over beautiful. So this was it for today's video. Comment down which among these 6 you love the most and thank you for subscribing to my channel. Keep sharing your love and a very happy Diwali in advance. Bye bye and take care.